Kakapoy ba? Parang nasa ito. Sige, bye. Tinanong ko kasi. Nagsirat ina. Tinanong ko kasod. Sa Jimmy. Bahol man na ko sa ilang mic, B.
John, pasaglan daw mo.
Araw ko sa inyong kasi nakain. Nakain ka? Kain mo na lang mic, B. Kaya di ko kasod sa ati. Okay. Sige, class, magsugod na jud ta for real na ni siya. Okay na na, ma-prep na akong video. Sige. Okay. Sige, mag-start na ko ha. Okay, madungog na ko class. Balik ta uno. Madungog na ko. Okay. Sige, so tinud-anay na ni siya. Okay. So, good afternoon class. So by the way, I am Miss K or Teacher K. So you can call me Miss or Teacher. So our topic for today is all about this picture. So I have here an activity. So naikuha nga mga letters. So unsa man kaha ni siyang activity? Unsa man kaha ni siyang activity class? Yes, it is swimming. Klaro naman kayo no sa picture na inilangoy. So it is swimming. So I have here a quote. Ingon ang quote, I am the master of my fate or I am the captain of my soul. So, akong question class is, how can you connect this quotation to you as a marine student? So, saan mo pag-relate sa imuhang kaugalingon ang ingani nga quotation as a marine student? So, kisa may ganahan mo answer. Tawaloy. Pwede ra Bisaya, class. Madawat ra mapag Bisaya.
Pwede ba kita balik ang kuhan mo?
Ang tara, nakita ra. Wala ba kita? I am the master of my fate or I am the captain of my soul. So, kisa may ganahan mo tubag na ay class point.
Perfect. Nagpapasanggat at
Lolo,
Magtawag na lang, class.
magtawag na lang ko class. Magpili ko diri. Kanay si Koan. Isa na siya. Kanay si Generoso. Kaya matawag ko ni Generoso. Okay, Generoso. Nana ka diha? Laki ni siya. Basin mainday na ko siya. Okay, so Generoso, how can you connect the quotation to you as a marine student?
So, kaning masaon ako balik, I am the master of my fate at I am the captain of my soul. So, kaning ako buto sa kayang sa butan ni Ma'am kay kaning
Sige, padayon mo.
kanang ikaw ra gay nag kaning nasa imo kaning pagalingon kaning ikaw ra gay kaning magdala kaning tayo mo landoy.
Okay, very good. So, sakto. Ingon si Generoso nga. Ikaw ra jud ko ni magdala sa imuhang kaugalingon. So, as a marine student, kanang imuhang kaugalingon, imuhang responsibilidad. So, just like in swimming, sa swimming is, sa imuha rasad kang kaugalingon mag-relay class. Like, you cannot swim if you don't know how to swim. Dili man ka, for example, ang imuhang kauban, kay ba mo langoy. Pero, ikaw, dili ka kabalo mo langoy. Dili man pud pwede nga, depende nimo sa imuhang kauban ang paglangoy because you have different buoyancy. Lahi-lahi mo og kanabitaw kaan, lahi-lahi mo og waves sa kinabuhi. Dili mo pareha gikusgon or gitason or gidakon sa waves sa kinabuhi. So, our topic for today, class, is about swimming. So, of course, we will start with the history of swimming. So, unsa di ay ang gigikanan jud sa history. Pero first, let us define what is swimming. So, swimming is the propulsion of the body through water using combined arm and leg motions utilizing natural buoyancy or flotation. So, ang kanilang swimming nag-involve ni siya og arm and leg motion. So, of course, mulihok jud ang ato ang kamot o ang ato ang legs. So, dili ta makalangoy og dili na nato siya gamiton. So, swimming is popular as an all-around body developer. So, ang uban, gamito ni siya as exercise ang swimming because maglihok man atong arm and leg. Especially useful kay ni siya for therapy and exercise. Ang essential skills nga matudloan ng swimming is for life-saving purposes. So, dako kay nigtabang ang swimming when it comes to life-saving. Kay usually, if kabalo mo lang way ang usa ka tao is, for example, na ay outing, na ay accident ka nahitabo, na ay nalumos. So, pwede ni mo siyang i-save, pero ang kanang ingon anak nga thought is magdepende mong good na siya kung unsa ka kamaayo mo langoy. Kung mediocre lang ka nga swimmer, ayaw na lang jud pagtuga-tuga kay naaman say kanang kuan sige tuga na may lifeguard usahay nga wala. So, if dili nimo kaya, pwede raman sad nga dili lang manawag la ka og someone na kanang pwede nga makaluwas because not every time nga kabalo ka is kanang kaya na jud nimo siya. You can always ask for help. Okay, so ang related activities in swimming is diving, surfing, synchronized swimming, and underwater diving and water polo. So, ano ito sa ancient origins of swimming? So, we have early origins. So, ang kaning early origins na siya archaeological evidence suggesting archaeological evidence suggesting that swimming was practiced as early as 2500 BCE in Egypt. So, which means early jud tayo, imagine 2500 BCE before ang BCE is before Christ. Oh, before Christ existed. So sayo pa kayo nanay swimming. So in classical civilizations, it is practiced in Assyrian, Greek, and Roman civilizations. So in Greece and Rome, it was part of martial training and elementary education for males. So, ang kanidi ay during classical civilization, ang kaning swimming is part ni siya sa training during elementary education for males. So, imagine, no, sa unang panahon di ay, kay daghan kaayo ang maayo mulangoy sa males because giapil man siya sa ilahang training sa Greece and Rome. So, another ancient origin is the Orient. So, ang the Orient, it dates back to at least the 1st century BCE, where evidence of swimming races in Japan in the 1st century BCE, and a 17th century imperial edict made teaching swimming compulsory in Japanese schools. So kung ato siyang i-summarize, ang early origins ingon nga 2500 BCE na ana ang swimming. Classical civilization is military training in Greece and Rome. Ang the Orient is ang katong gihimong mandatory or compulsory ang swimming sa Japanese schools. So next is lastly is the Pacific people. So ingon diri ang Pacific people among the pre-literate maritime groups, children reportedly learned to swim when they walked or even earlier. So imagine, bisag baby pa daw kuno kayo ang mga bata, is kahibaw na daw kuno sila manlangoy during this period. So even karon kay naman gihapon yung mga ingon ana class, pero usually wala siya sa Pilipinas, na siya sa laing nasod. Kabantay mo anang mga video sa mga bata nga gagmay nga kanang palangoyon sa swimming pool bisag ang uban months old pa, 1 year old. So, mura ra sad na sa Pacific people. So, Nay uban nga bisag di pa gyud sila kabalo mulakaw, kabalo na sila mulangway daan. No, mermaid sila guys. Okay, so after that, there is the rise of organized sport. So after how many years of practicing and kanang performing swimming, nahimo na ang organized sport group for swimming. So first is naausay building, which is building na ay swimming pool, heated swimming pool in 1st century BCE, which was created, one who created it by Roman Gaius Maecenas. So, kani si Maecenas, usa siya sa nakreditan sa paghimo sa first heated swimming pool in the 1st century BCE. So, mao na siya example, mao na pinakauna nga heated swimming pool class. Then after that, modern organizations then are formed. So, sa pila ka tuig, of course, mag-progress man jud na ang tanang butang, especially like sports. So, in 1837, first swimming organization was formed in London, which had 6 indoor pools with diving boards. So, ang pinakauna nga swimming organization kay napurma sa London, and it was in 1837. And after that, in 1846, the first swimming championship, a 440-yard or 400-meter race, was held in Australia and continued annually. So, ang kalahian class is ang 1837 first swimming organization. Bali group ra siya. Ang 1846 is mao na siya ang pinakauna nga contest of swimming championship sa Australia. Then next is in 1869, the Metropolitan Swimming Clubs of London, or also known as Amateur Swimming Association, was founded. So, after the first swimming organization in London is ni follow din ni si Metropolitan Swimming Clubs of London. So, sa London gihapon. And in 1888, swimming was first nationally organized in the United States by the Amateur Athletic Union, or AAU. So, pinakauna nga kanang nationally organized nga swimming. So, ang nag-organize ato kay ang Amateur Athletic Union. So, meaning, dili ra usa ka country kundi daghan nga country ang involved. And in 1909, the international governing body. So, mao na ni siya ang international governing body of swimming, which is the Federation Internationale de Natation Amateur, or FINA, was founded. So again, naaray tulo ka organization that made a remarkable mark in swimming. So, first swimming organization in London, the Metropolitan Swimming Clubs of London, Amateur Athletic Union, and lastly is the FINA. So, ang FINA, international governing body of swimming. So, in modern Olympics, competitive swimming has been included since the inception of the modern Olympic Games in 1896. So, pag 1896, na-appeal ang swimming sa Olympic Games. So, sa women's event, 1912 pa. So, meaning, pag 1896 class, during the Olympic Games for swimming, mga lalaki rato ang ni-appeal. And later on, na-appeal na po ang babae in 1912. So, early events included oddities, like for example, the 1900 Senior River Obstacle Race that disappeared after FINA took charge. Kanang dili ra bitaw sa swimming pool kuan class, dili ra sila sa swimming pool manlangoy, kanang sa kuan pod sa rivers. So, mo na siya oddity, so meaning kanang kuan incident nga nahitabo during 1900s, which later on disappeared after FINA took charge. So, under the FINA, naay daghang standardization nga nausab. For example, race lengths shifted increasingly to meters. So, ang ang gitas-on sa race lengths kay nianam sad siya og kataas. Next is world records for yard measured races were abolished in 1969. Di ba ang unang contest class is 400 yards? So, after ang FINA ni took charge sa international swimming, gitangtang na ang yards, gihimo na siya og meters. So, there are also standard strokes which are reduced to 4 recognized competitive strokes, which are the freestyle or crawl, backstroke, breaststroke, and butterfly. So, kaning upat ka competitive strokes under the FINA, i-discuss rin ni later sa magsunod nga demonstrator. So, lastly, dominant nations in swimming includes United States, Japan, Australia, Hungary, Germany, and others. So, unfortunately, wala jud sa 1, 2, 3, 4, top 5 ang Philippines. Pero ganihan na top 3 si Atisa, Charis. Dito. So, mao ni siya ang dominant nations for swimming. So now we have here instruction and training of swimming. So in early programs, it began in Great Britain in the 19th century for both sport and life-saving and were copied across Europe. So, ang pinaka-early instruction nagsugod sa Great Britain. So, dili lang swimming ang ilahan dito, but also life-saving. So, in U.S. life-saving, swimming instruction for life-saving began under the American Red Cross in 1916, and mass promotion instructional work by the armed forces during World War I and World War II, along with community or school courses extending to infants, greatly promoted swimming. So, during sa day World War I and II class is gi-promote pud ni ang swimming as part of the training of the armed forces. Kaya it is very essential man pud nga kabalusad sila sa ingon ani nga skills because magamit man nila for survival skills. And of course, sa inyo since you are taking up the SMRE students, meaning ang dagat mo na ang inyong life. So you should deal with water. So kinahanglan kabalo sa jud mo mulangoy. But sometimes knowing skill too much without knowing how to use the skill is a waste of practice. So kinahanglan kung maayo ka mulangoy, dapat gamiton pud nimo ang imuhang brain. Okay? So here we have advanced training since the late 1950s. So we have replaced high volume swimming with interval training and repeat training. So naanay interval training and repeat training. So we have slow interval training. It rests shorter than swim time to develop endurance. Meaning, dugay mo pahuway ang swimmer. Mas gamay siya because it will develop the endurance of the person. However, while the fast interval training, it has a longer rest for near complete recovery. It is to develop speed. For example, class is layo kayo ang imuhang langoyan. So slow interval training is the best nga imuhang i-practice imuhang self because ang distance dili man na mag-matter on how kung unsa ka kapaspas. It matters on how you endure. Remember mo ng story sa katong si Pagong at si Matsing? Diba? It is all about endurance and not speed. So it is all about how you endure, especially if layo kayo imuhang padulngan. And fast interval is for you, for a swimmer to develop speed. Okay? So mao to siya ang atoang lesson for today class. So naako diri activity based atong gi-discuss kaganina. So ang direction is you are to react thumbs up if you agree and sad if you do not agree. So makakita ra mo sa emotions sa ubos. Okay, very good. So let's start with number 1. So swimming is just an outing essential and should not be practiced. Unsa may angay i-react ani? If you agree, thumbs up. If dili, sad. Okay, very good. So number 2, slow interval learning focuses on endurance than speed. So do you agree? Okay, very good. So then katawa si Bench, di katawa si okay. So ang slow interval again, class, is it focus more on endurance. Very good. Okay, so number 3, Roman Maecenas was credited in building the first heated swimming pool. Okay. Okay, very good. Thank you. So, for your assessment class is naala ko i-send nga Google Forms sa GC and you are to answer those questions. So, tagalan ta mo o kanang 2 minutes to answer the Google Form. Okay, ako rin i-send. Okay, humana class? Okay, so, ano na ta sa inyong assignment? So, explain why swimming is an important skill to your course. Use the following given format. So, in a short bond paper, it should be PDF format, Arial, 12, double space, and ang file name is last name, then Patfit 3 and your section. So, again, class, ang atong di-discuss is all about the history of swimming and kanang iyahang mga modern development of organization. So, na questions, class, regarding sa atong di-discuss. Paano to siya? Kanang Gemma to siya. Magdungan ra mo take class kay upat mamikabok demonstrator. So, bali, ang quiz tanan is ipunon ra namo. Wala pa na ako gisend, bitaw joke ra na siya.
Okay, pass na. Close na ang kuan.
Close ang portal.
Okay, so doon na namo among quiz class aron dili bitaw siya kanang kuan. Daghan mo i-click nga link, okay? So,
5:30 o 6:30.
so for our concluding activity, na ako diri quotation. So, ang gingon diri, swimming teaches us how to move with the water. History reminds us how humans learn from the sea, and marine engineering shows how far we've come in turning those lessons into progress. So, do you agree, class? Okay, very good. So, that is all for my discussion. So, ihatag na tamo sa next nga demonstrator. Thank you, class.
Ako sa phone. Ikaw ang sagpani. Tara ka mag-study sa